So today we are going to learn to divide polynomial by a polynomial. So the question is 3x cube, divide 3x cube plus 8x square minus 6x plus 1 by x plus 3. So this is called our dividend and this is called our divisor. So just like a normal division, we are going to write our dividend. Make sure your dividend and your divisor both are in decreasing order of the degree. And we will write our divisor here. Now to get the first term of the quotient, I am going to pick the first term of the dividend and divide it by the first term of the divisor. So this is my round 1. Round 1 is to get the first term of the quotient. The step 1 of round 1 is divide the first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So I get 3x square. Step 2 is multiply the quotient. So you have to write this quotient here and multiply this quotient by the entire divisor. So I will get 3x cube plus 9x square. I'm going to write this underneath the like terms. So 3x cube plus 9x square, and I need to subtract it. Just like a normal division, I need to subtract this. So always make sure that the first terms are getting cancelled. So in this case, we have 3x cube minus 3x cube, which is 0. 8x square minus 9x square is minus x square. I write the remaining terms as it is. So this is where I get my first term of the quotient. Now let's move on to round 2. For round 2, I do the exact same 2 steps. First term of the, now this becomes our dividend, right? So first term of this divided by first term of the divisor. So step 1, it's first term of the remainder divided by first term of the divisor, and this gives me the next quotient. So I write down the next quotient. Now step 2, I multiply the quotient with the divisor. So I write it down here. So this will basically become minus x square minus 3x. So I write down underneath the like terms. I subtract again. So x square minus x square minus x square will become 0, and minus 6x minus 3x will become minus 6x plus 3x, which is minus 3x. I bring down the remaining terms, and then starts my round 3. Step 1 again is first term, which is minus 3x, divided by first term of the divisor, which is x. Minus 3 is my next quotient. So I write down my next quotient. Then I do this step 2 of round 3, which is multiply the quotient with the divisor. My answer is minus 3x minus 9. I subtract minus 3x minus 9. Minus 3x minus 3x, which will become minus 3x plus 3x, which is 0. 1 minus 9, which is 1 plus 9, which is plus 10. And now if you see, the degree of the remainder is 0 and the degree of the divisor is 1. So now the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So we stop our division process here and we get our quotient, we get our remainder. Now we can use this to verify the division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? Let's see the division algorithm for for normal regular numbers. So let's divide 21 by 5. I get 5 fours are 20 and the remainder is 1. So the dividend is 21, divisor is 5, remainder is 1 and quotient is 4. So the division algorithm is dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. So quotient is 4, divisor is 5 and remainder is 1. 5 into 4 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 and dividend is 21. So we proved it. This algorithm we can use to prove polynomial division also. So let's see. So in this case, my dividend quotient is 3x squared minus x minus 3. Remainder is 10 and divisor is x plus 3. Let's put this in the division algorithm. So dividend is equal to quotient. So let's write the quotient, which is 3x squared minus x minus 3 multiplied by the divisor, which is x plus 3 plus the remainder, which is 10. So let's multiply this. X gets multiplied by the whole thing plus 3 gets multiplied by the whole thing, and then I add the remainder. So this will become 3x cubed minus x squared minus 3x plus 9x squared minus 3x minus 9 plus 10. Now let's combine the like terms. So it is 3x cubed. I do not have any more x cubes. Then minus x squared plus 9x squared will become plus 8x squared. Minus 3x will become minus 6x. Minus 9 plus 10 will become plus 1. And this is what is my dividend. So we were able to prove the division algorithm. Thank you.